As a discussion around stimulus checks continues on Capitol Hill, what does this year's tax season look like? Our Hannah King checks in with preparers to clear up all that confusion.
Tax filing season is among us. At the end of this week on February 12th, the IRS will start accepting and processing 2020 tax year returns. With confusion surrounding the addition of stimulus checks, experts want to remind you they are not taxed.
They're not taxable. The only reason they're having us report them is because some people may not have received the full amount of stimulus they were eligible for. If that's the case, then they'll actually get a credit on their tax return.
Jonathan Jones, owner of Bottom Line Bookkeeping in Bryan, enrolled agent and tax preparer, says this tax season may be busier than in years past.
This season's going to be, I think, much busier than it was in past seasons, just because of all the confusion with the stimulus. People are not sure exactly what to do with it.
Jones says you should plan to prepare and gather all of your important documents as you normally would, and also keep another thing in mind.
Remember and/or go back and look at your bank statements and figure out how much your stimulus was, because that is going to be a big part of your tax return. They're giving a credit if you didn't get the full amount.
Jones says claiming what stimulus funds you received or did not receive is a huge benefit, and answering honestly only helps.
They've stated very clear that it's not taxable income. It's not going to cause you any more tax. It's just, if anything, it'll help you. Even if you got too much, it's okay. They're not going to take it back. They just want to make sure that everybody who was entitled to it did receive the full amount that they were eligible for.
Residents understand this year may look a little different, but say preparing to file and filing on time is just as important as any other year.
It's pretty important. I mean, if you don't do it, you'll know. So, I mean, we're business owners, so we have to kind of get ahead of the curve in some ways and figure out what we need to be doing for not just 2020, but 2021 to make sure we're doing things right for this year too.
Tax preparers say the confusion is entirely new for everyone, and this isn't something that has ever been done before, and it's okay to ask questions. Reporting in Bryan, Hannah King, 25 News.